student, today my topic is electrochemistry, the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy, and electrical energy to the chemical energy is called the electrochemistry, that is electrical to chemical and chemical to electrical. Now to understand the half cell we have to consider the electrochemical cell or galvanic cell. In this year it is not in the syllabus, but to understand the half cell we have to consider this cell. It is also known as voltaic cell after the name Alessandro Volta. In 1796 a galvanic cell generate electric current on account of redox reaction. Galvanic cell generate electric current with the account of redox reaction occurring in it. Some of the examples are Volta cell, Daniell cell, Leclancy cell, Dry cell. These all cells convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Suppose in the container we take copper sulfate solution as an electrolyte and zinc rod. So after some time the several changing occur in this container. Zinc rod reduce in the weight. This zinc rod reduce in the weight and the zinc ion goes to the solution. Now blue solution of copper sulfate, that is cupric sulfate. Here the valency of copper is 2 because the sulfate has also 2 valency. So there is no atomic number is there, that is why both have 2 valency. So this copper sulfate is blue in color. When zinc rod just goes to the electrolyte, the blue color gets faded and copper forms red color, its original color, and temperature rises. This thermometer gives the temperature which is rise. So in zinc solid it just dissociate into electrolyte into ions to lose electron. So this process is known as oxidation, where the metal lose electron because in the activity series zinc reside at the top of the series and they are very reactive, which resided at the top of the activity series, and they lose electron and do oxidation. The metal which lose electron, they do oxidation, and while copper it gains electron and forms a solid structure that is red in color, and this gain electron is known as reduction. So copper reside after the hydrogen in activity series, you know. So it just gain electron and becomes a solid form. Both oxidation and reduction take place in this container. Copper get reduced and zinc get oxidized. Both reduction and oxidation take place in this container. So this reaction is known as redox reaction. RED means reduction and OX means oxidation. Both together take place, that is why it is known as redox reaction. And it is spontaneous. Spontaneous means which take place automatically. As it take place automatically, due to which gives free energy is less than 0. Suppose this is the Daniell cell or galvanic cell or zinc copper cell. Also they are also called zinc copper cell. So we take zinc rod in the zinc sulfate electrolyte and copper rod in the copper sulfate electrolyte. If we pass the just current to it, so zinc just mix with the electrolyte, zinc ion just dissociate into the electrolyte, and we have only negative charge in this rod. So this negative charge electron just pass to the copper and current flow to the opposite to the electron. So when when electron flows to copper rod, then it attracts copper ion from the solution. So here in the solution negative charge increase. We take copper, we have taken copper sulfate solution. So when copper stick to this rod, then only sulfate ion is left behind, and whereas here the zinc ion is more in number because zinc dissociate into the charge. So avoid this thing, as zinc do oxidation, so it loses electron, and copper do reduction, so it gain electron. So in this solution, that is anodic solution, we have zinc ion, that is positive ion, more in number, and this solution sulfate ion is more in number, as copper ion just get stick on the rod. So to minimize or to stabilize both the charge, we use salt bridge. Salt bridge is many form. They may be KCl, they may be K2SO4, agar blue green algae is agar, that is in the powder form. So we take salt bridge, which is linked between as a bridge between the two container. So when we take KCl, so Cl goes to the zinc to neutralize it, and K goes to the sulfate with the sulfate to neutralize it. So both the half cell get balanced. So now today my question is, what is electrochemistry and electrochemical cell? Thank you.